Now, dear student, your next topic is rotation of the earth. Here is one small globe because due to lockdown period and due to closing of the school, it is not possible to use some bigger globe here. So we try to understand by those things which are available now this time. In the case of rotation of earth is rotating. Dear student, rotation take place within 24 hours. Within 24 hours, rotation, the process of rotation, the movement of rotation of the earth take place. It is clear? But what happened during the rotation? While earth start to rotate, then some part of the earth's surface illuminated. How illuminated? Due to effect of sunlight. Here is sun. Sunlight, due to presence of sunlight, some part of the surface illuminated. प्रकाशित होना. Illuminated means प्रकाशित होना. And turn by turn, due to rotation, different longitude receive sunlight. It is clear? So those part of the earth's surface which going to receive sunlight on a single time experiences day. On the same time, those part of the earth's surface, back side of the earth's surface, which not receive sunlight falling on the night. So we can say that day follow the night and night follow the day. It is clear? What happened if rotation of the earth will stop? Suppose sun is presence here, which is the ultimate source of energy, and the rotation movement of the earth's surface stop. Then what happened? Then always those part of the surface which are facing towards the sun always realize day. Always day happened on the front of the surface and always night happened on the back side of the earth surface. It is clear? When during the early morning, first rays of the sun falling on the earth's surface, on the same time those part of the surface receive the early morning sunlight. It is known as dawn. Dawn means bhor, prata ki sthiti, which is also known as morning. And from dawn, from early morning to whole days within 24 hours, different part of the earth's surface received sunlight one by one. It is clear? But those part of the surface which receive last time sunlight, it means same position of the surface, early morning receive sunlight, but up to the evening same part of the surface going to leave the sunlight, means अब सूर्य का प्रकाश वहां से हटने वाला है. This position is known as dusk, evening, sandhya. So dawn to dusk position take place over the surface due to rotation of the earth. One activity paragraph given in your book. When you will study after watching this video, I hope you have no problem to understand that. Thank you.